What up? We are back. SinceOne Podcast. I'm your host, just Kalawa, the real conversation, the real entertainment. Welcome back to SinceOne Podcast. I missed you. And how was your week? My week was wiki. It was wiki. My weekend days are wiki. Welcome back. Today we will be focusing on hip hop versus Amapiano. Is Amapiano a future to music? Is a future music? Does it teach anything to Generation Z? Ngalento barutanyo Amapiano. Hip hop ngalento nya inspire ka mara yo arboni. Abe nagizare ke level la ka bono okay sharp piano is for enjoyment batho ba modimo. Like tlhaloga ya ndene piano is for enjoyment. I don't know, like you can't celebrate one individual in piano. Piano has a future. Now I'm cooking lebeletseng no bona ka piano joke no ba motlago wa tlhalohanya kana le go overseas piano ba e bone as a music genre o le bona ba ka o binela wa tlhalohanya da idene kana music o le joka o lebella ape music wa piano ka o lebella jo o no lebella ro ke music wa go di party music wa monate wa tlhalohanya a se music o le reng jo ka o celebrate like what jo music o le jo piano jo ka speak the next coming 10 years. I promise you. It will never make it to the next coming 20 years, 50 years. Black Coffee once said that. And then people pointing finger at Black Coffee and telling hey, you because of you are doing Afro House. No, he's been real. Piano is going nowhere, guys. Piano is just here for fun. It's just here for fun. And hello, hi. But I know, to show you that piano is not here to stay. Piano is here to destroy our future. Where is Dolly Wonga? One hit wonder, it is gone. Where is Thriller? One hit gone. One high. Piano jo a future. Compared to hip hop is jogging music. One high. Hip hop is very inspirational, ambitious. It celebrates one individual success. One high. Success of one individual is being celebrated in hip hop. On first time, you can't find 10 people on hip hop. Yeah. O ba lebelele bona batho ba le reng ba ira hip hop okay spa when the motivational behind ke bo Lil Wayne ke bo mama they were busy motivating them they were busy motivating the generation or no you can do better but then piano I really that thing I'm frustrated ke ndo ne boela ke not nteno ta ibolela le na itlhakanya I'm frustrated because of A-reece with the hip hop I'm frustrated not no bolela fela ana hit ya hit tsa di felletse ko ambitious ka rena le re bya na mara mutlela A-reece ke ra hit or no there's a money in the bank dude I'm about to bring the bank I'm frustrated like A-reece hip hop A-reece music is being celebrated internationally. 50 Cent I once saw a video of 50 Cent celebrating that video so celebrating the album of the last album of A-reece. I saw him celebrating that. A-reece is something else, bro. And Touchline and Nota Touchline. No, Touchline is hip hop, bro. No, look at this in personal. I can tell, Nota is personal. If someone refuses to work with him, he takes it far. That's personal. He takes it to such an extent that you can't even speak about that person because of I believe that person refused to work with Nota. And Nota now is belittling them. Always belittling them. No man. That doesn't work like that, Nota. Hip hop is here to stay, bro. I don't know hip hop will never die. Hip hop will never die. Hip hop is here to stay because of even the next coming 50 years, hip hop will be here because of hip hop started in 1870s there by slavery. Understand? While they were busy picking up the cotton there and the cotton field. Understand? You guys are saying hip hop will never make it far. But then I see hip hop is there, guys. We have Tony Diamond. We have the best in South African hip hop, guys. Come on. We have Tony Diamond. We have Jesus Mama. We have a lot. Understand? Compared to this motherfuckers for music part. But no vera kam kholo rumbona bakhona ke di gatekeeper o gatekeeper go ka wena o palla go gatekeeper future o bizo ropa batho mafitso a ba re lebala e molata o lebala You are busy to that because of you guys are starving. We are starving, guys, and you take this youth and then you use them and you take their money. And tomorrow you want to claim that hip hop is not future. Hip hop doesn't go. But come on, hip hop is very ambitious. If you listen to Touchline, if you listen to Touchline, if if you listen to Touchline, you don't cashel Touchline. If you don't cashel, if you am cashela when you Touchline, singing it. Ngoba mina ngiyamamela uTouchline. Mina ngihamba nayo uTouchline. Yebo, ngiyamamela. Libra feelings. Understand? I'm a Libra feeling. If you don't know, if you don't understand Touchline's music, bro, that's you. Because of that music is very it's from the heart, from his bottom of his heart. Understand? That's his feelings. Whenever you do music, we believe that you have to have a feeling. Understand? You have to feel something. You have to go through something in order to write a good music, a lyrical music. Because of piano is not lyrical, guys. Piano is not lyrical. You can't tell me piano is lyrical. Mama, the best lyricist of the on Amapiano. We don't have such, guys. We don't have such to show you that piano is not going anywhere. Piano is here, bruh. It's here and then it will be gone. By the rest coming 5 years, the rest coming 10 years, piano will be gone. I'm telling you. Because of legal level and no madumano change it and no madumano no they will lead the piano high elevation sheet and no even target Afro-tag. Because of piano is not going anywhere, guys. Piano is just here and it will go. It doesn't have alignment. It doesn't have a perfect melody. People can't relate. Most of people can't relate in piano. But then if you play hip hop now, if you play hip hop, you play if you go and play King of NSTC, people will relate. And not was NSTC fell off. NSTC doesn't fall off, bro. NSTC will never fall off, bro. NSTC died. NSTC did his part. He collected all the bag, bro. He collected all the bag. You having a problem with NSTC, it shows that it's personal. And NSTC once said that on MacG podcast, the podcast engine with MacG. NSTC once said that at the previous episode, 200 and something episode, I believe. NSTC said it with his own mouth. Not another problem. Understand? So when I put this or when I not another flop again, what was a Touchline doesn't even good. Bro, good, Baba. Let me tell you, those who good music will never play in the next coming 10 years. Then we have hip hop. We have hip hop music that I'm sure I will never play in the next coming 10 years. Say anything good. I will never play you good in the next coming 10 years, bro. I will never. My babo, I will never. That music was there. That it was hip hop for that 2017 and 2018. Understand? But today I will never play it compared to King, compared to A-reece music, bro. Yeah? I'm about to break the bank. I might listen to that track to the next coming 10 years, bro. But not my babu. No, not on good. No. I refuse. I refuse to that, bro. Because of I will never listen to such. If you are mentally stable, you can tell me that my babu doesn't have future in this game of hip hop, bro. My babu is just here to fuck up with the situation and then he takes the money and leave. You working with Rick Ross doesn't mean you know this gig, you're a gatekeeper of hip hop, bro. You're not a gatekeeper of hip hop. There are gatekeepers, bro. Dr. Dre. Have you ever heard Dr. Dre saying, "Hey, Mama is doing this, hey, Rick Ross is doing"? No, bro, because of he understands the game. He understands one another, one individual, the uniqueness of a person. He understands it. But then when I know Nota, when I level talk, I say, yeah, it's true. Hey, bro, doesn't mean A-reece have a little ambitious and paradise ambitious. Is that? No, it's hip hop, bro. It's hip hop. We relate. When it comes to such, we relate a lot. Why, bro? And then Manuli never know to welcome Kulnal Kona. Welcome Kulnal Kona. No, bro. It doesn't work like that. This is personal. Personal, not you are personal. Something is wrong, bro, with you. You smoke too much weed. And then that weed shows you, I don't know, shows you the heaven and hell at the same time. you think maybe you know too much. Maybe it gives you obituary or I don't know, dictionary. Man, you have to give us that stuff. That's the heavy shit, bro. That's heavy shit. Man, Kalawa. Hip hop is here to stay. Amapiano will be God. What are you saying, man? Comment that. Piano doesn't have future in this world. Piano will never go international as hip hop, bro. On first start. Wana nuso bo piano balena pa. Awuna kuya. Even you can look at the chairs, bro. Piano it will never be number one again, bro. On first start. It will never be a number one again, bro. Now he's been replaced by Mascanti piano. You know that? You believe that? I believe that. Piano has been replaced by Mascanti, bro. Now we listen to Mascanti nowadays. Understand? As Mascanti is number one. Feza is number one on Spotify chart. You can't tell me that the Amapiano no. Even the music pioneer of yours Mapitoto. The Amapiano. How can you be an Amapiano pioneer with the music that never 10 years in the game or 20 years in the game? No, you can't be a pioneer of such, bro, a gatekeeper of such music. No. I was listening to Maporesa telling me that he's a gatekeeper of that music. No. No, you can't be a gatekeeper of such music. Such original music, such laziness. There's a lot of laziness inside piano, bro. Those people in the piano are lazy, bro. They can't even write a proper script, a proper script or a proper one. They can't even do that, bro. They just come here, but ngilimeke. Umuntu akhona ucedile khona lapho. Asiboni ukuthi uyenzani, asiboni lapha aya khona. Ubhizi ukhuluma lento ayikhulumayo lapho icede ucedile yena. Hey, hayi, I've done my part, I've done which part, bro? Because of where's the Liwonga now? Where's the thriller now? It's a lot, bro. It's a lot, bro. There's a lot in Amapiano, bro. Understand? Those who have 5 years in Amapiano are few. Bro. You can't even count. You can even count them by fingers, and then they will never occupy my full head. Half of my hand. They will only occupy half of my hand. Understand? They will only occupy half of my hand, my palm. They will only occupy half of my palm. Those who succeeded under Amapiano. Understand? You will never succeed, I bet, under Amapiano. Nah, never. You going nowhere if you're listening to Amapiano. I'm telling you. Understand? So my question is, when do you see Amapiano as a future, or do you see hip hop as a future? Because of hip hop is for ambitious people. If you know you're ambitious and you listen to hip hop, I bet you will make it. Because of Rick Ross busy motivating you, Wayne is busy motivating you, they do better hustle. Boy, empty the hustler. Where do you think that hustler comes from? From hip hop, bro. From hip hop, bro. That hustler comes from hip hop, bro. I was chilling and listening to. I was watching this podcast of this young gen. Those guys were stating the fact. Understand? J.Cole will never go to Music Palace. Music Palace fails to invite a local artist. A local artist. The ones that we see, you will never see such going there because of you have Nota inside there, you have Spiso inside there, you have Taki. People, even Taki, man, the time asashi though. Makrot money fair. Na ana mona ufika mo nesti tsa roto nna fatsile bo Nota le bo fitso to go interview go piano part. Na I got it, I didn't. Le J. Cole with a December. He can go to my podcast and chill with my G. He won't go to Music Palace. Why is he going to do it in Music Palace to sit down with Nota? No. J. Cole is not mentally disturbed. No. That thing will never happen. Why, well? So my question is hip hop here to stay? Okay, let me put it like this. Will you raise your child or your children under hip hop or Amapiano? Now, according to me, I will raise my son and my daughters, my children, my generation under hip hop, so that they can be motivated in life. Understand? There will be more motivation in life. But then, You listen, always motivation. I can't play I can't play John Wick, the Twitter song today and take my son or my daughter listen to this music. John Wick, no, never, never. I ain't saying when I'm a bleeding killing a maya gaya. I win. Masukule died. Opala get time affair. Mahuta in fit. Mahuta is 60 something approaching 70, I believe. And then Fed Cook is 50 something approaching 60. And old timers are doing music that is evolving. It's evolving. That's movement. For start, piano is not movement. Piano is just one hit, and then you take your little cent because of you can't take a lot of money in piano. You can't have millions whenever you're doing piano. You can't have such. You will have thousands. You will be a thousandaire when you're doing piano. Let me tell you the fact. Because of Amapiano, you can find two producers, three artists, five of you or six of you on one song. How much do you expect to get, bro? How much do you expect to get? How much? No, you're fucking with the system. Such thing will never happen. Such thing will never happen. For start, Touchline is the best, is the greatest. They even got an award for writing a letter to Mama Winnie. You know that track of Mama Winnie? You have to check that track of Touchline, and then you'll come back and tell me there in the comments. Tell me, will you raise your children under Amapiano or hip hop? And then after listening to Touchline, how was the feedback? Tell me. If you haven't listened to Touchline, start now and tell me what that comment, and then you will let me know how was Touchline music. How was Touchline music? Because of Touchline music is something else. That music is inspirational. It's dedicated. There's dedication inside. Not telling them up pianos. Oh, but seeing him, man. Aye, aye, aye. Let's stop right there. From start, I really need that. And then again, I really need that. And youngster now drop, youngster now drop, youngster now drop, youngster now drop album. New music, new music waiter. Youngster now drop, youngster now will be dropping an album. Piano hub, kabza, kill the day. Oh, go with the piano, because I'm going to ba kill the day, you know. Ba kill the day. I read to return album. My album, you're not under comes out Surliki. After my youngster dropped his album in 2021. In 2021, the last album, youngster, was in 2021, and now we are expecting another album. We are expecting another album of youngster, and then uskata mo tula di chelete youngster no tamo mutile o posta ba tu chelete. Wira metai. Am frosta. Wira metai. Kostala nyu wira. Mo sa fe ba tu chelete di. Why don't you give them money proper? In a proper way, in a rightful manner. No, man, you don't do that. You don't do that in this time of in this era. You don't do that, bro. And Chris Kaybe is also dropping an album. There's a leading song that he dropped. He was teasing us. He was teasing us with the song Hino Babayu. Hino Babayu. Anjalo. Yeah, Hino Babayu. It's something like so. After his first, this is going to be his first studio album. This is going to be his first studio album after giving us the album of Gemini, and then the likes of what's that? Music therapy, music theory. It was music theory last time when we had Prince Kaybe. It was in 2023. The last album was dropped in 2023. It's about 2 years now, approaching 3 years. Prince Kaybe is going to drop another album on June. You know June. Prince Kaybe and June are friends, because of he was born in June. 15 June, he celebrates his birthday on 15 June. He's a Gemini. He's a Gemini. He's a Gemini. My Gemini. I'm an old school Gemini. Why would you hip hop? Oh, I can't I'm an old school Gemini. I still remember that line. I'm an old school Gemini. That's my Gemini. I'm a Libra. That's a Gemini. We are one. We are one. That's my last born. That's the last born of a Libra. Gemini is the last born of a Libra. If you don't know the zodiacs and stuff, go and Google. And again, K.Keed and Orish3000 and Orish3000 are dropping they are dropping a continuous a joint project. They are busy working on a project, and then they were busy teasing us with the song, with the song, with the song, with the song that we are expecting. And then I believe the song was dropped. I believe the song was dropped on 29 May. It called that track is going. It is called Abenami. Abenami. Abenami is been dropped on 29 May 2026. We are expecting a joint collaboration project on K.Keed. It's hip hop, bro. Hip hop. I'm back. K.Keed is better. K.Keed is dope. K.Keed is dope. On first time. Unlike this compared to this lazy motherfucker. On first time. K.Keed is the best. K.Keed is the best. Yeah, K.Keed is the best. He knows how to rap. He knows how to rap. He knows how to put his lyrics and the inspirational meaning behind his text. As I was telling you, hip hop is good with inspirational. It will inspire you. Hip hop, trust me. On first time, and then again, re na le mang o mong a dropileng a re bo oh just works and Tukutela. Just works and Tukutela, they said they will be dropping their last album is due as they are together like this. The last album was dropped in 2025. It was that one, we both dance on it. We were liking it, the Afro tag of the likes of Nkosi. I think like the last album that Mahu is inside there, Nabu, Barbo Mamba. Yeah, tlhakatlhakane bo ba balwa eme wa tlhalohanya ngizwa ngishawa luvalo manje nethandweni ngitatazela. Yeah, that album was dropped in 2025, the most wanted. And then he said that they will dropping their last album as together as they are working together. He said it will be their last album working together. And then the upcoming album, it will be fire, guys. It will be fire, guys. One Taloha, it will be fire. It will be fire. Understand? So, and on that, we won't be long. We won't be long. We won't be long. And happy Friday. And happy Friday is a Friday. Please enjoy. Drink responsibly. If you're going to drink, if you are going long distance, please drive safe. And then don't drink and drive. Enjoy your weekend, guys. And this is SinceOne Podcast. Do like, subscribe, then comment. And I need my answers there. Do you see piano as future? Will you raise your children under Amapiano? Or do you see hip hop as future? Will you raise your children under hip hop? Because me, myself, and I will make sure that my sons and my daughters when they grow up, they listen to Chris Brown. I will make sure that they listen to Rihanna. I will make sure that everything is under control. Everything is under control because of they will know their identity as individuals. When it comes to Amapiano, you will never know your identity as individuals. You will never be celebrated as individuals. They will say, "Mama, with why born Amar?" Yeah. So the rest is history. And then one last thing I forgot. I did some little investigation there. Mas is not going anywhere. Mas will be a host to what's that? Spreading humor. Will be a host to Spreading humor. And yeah, and they said they were fucking with us. These guys are fucking with us. They said they were fucking with us when they say Mas is going, Mas is leaving, Mas is not going anywhere. Mas will be there. Mas will be there. Yano Relix will be there with Mas, and then they will be, they will continue with their interviews, and then there will be a future there. I believe for Mas, everything will be fine for Mas. Congratulations, girl. You go, girl. Why won't? And then when I can see me, I saw them. I saw their podcast. No, sorry, I saw them. I made sure that I watched the first episode, and then I understood. Then they are women, full of room full of women. No, why won't? It's a room full of women. But then, in that case, guys, I love you. This is SinceOne Podcast. I'm your host, Jeff Kalawa. I'm from Touchline, I'm from 012. And then I will be back on Tuesday with Friday music. People who will be dropping on Friday. I will announce it on Tuesday. And then please do like, subscribe, then comment. and don't forget to give me my answer. I need that answer. I need that answer. Please do that. And then with that, I say I love you. I'm fana Pitori, I'm fana Touchline, I'm fana 012, I'm first start. And then we are big on SinceOne Podcast on Tuesday. Please do like, subscribe there, and let's go together, and then let's try to be together on this channel. Okay, this is your channel. This is better than, I bet we will be better than music pulse and so forth. We want first start because of we will be dishing you good news. We'll be dishing you good news. What's real, what's outside there. On first start. And then by that, we're out. Fana Pitori, Touchline, and I love you. Sure.